Hey guys, here's today's video. Here's one of those copper Menards fans. Haven't had a chance to process it yet, but you can see it's in there. Nothing interesting here really. Emerson, some generic stuff in a Casablanca box. Kind of CEC looking. Got 4 of these vintage recessed lights if anybody's interested. Got a Verde Delta 2. It's complete. The blades are there if anybody's interested. Okay. Grant's working on that.
1 for 1 in screws.
Hey! Grant's the hero today. That's here yet to be processed. These little ones are still here. A couple of them sold because there was 2 on each rack, and now there's only 1 on those 2 racks. So, stuff that's been here a couple weeks I priced down this turn of the century. Can be had for the incredibly low price of $10, as can this SMC if you come in here in person. Because they've been here a couple weeks and they're a little bit of ugly ducklings. Mark that down to 15. That came in today. Mark that down to 15. Mark that down to 10. That came in today. That came in today. Mark that down to 15. Mark those down to 15. Mark that Sears over there down to 10. Mark the Coke fan down to 40. Mark those 2 Heritages down to 10. Mark these 3 CECs down to 15. Legend is still 40. Homestead is still 40. I marked this Hampton Bay down to 15. This Legrand is still 20. Hate it when people try to pull tags off. Mark that Encon down to 15. That's still 15. Mark the Craft Made down to 15. Marked the Hampton Bay down to 15. That one's still 20. This came in today. Marked this one down to 15. And I haven't looked to see if there's any portable fans or anything like that today, so let's take a look. Little oscillator, variable speed air purifier. I usually look in here for controls and things too. Is this a fan control? Nope, dimmer. I like it. Ooh. I have a long cord for a power strip. That might be useful.
Look yourself.
Normally I do this without the camera, but since I haven't done it yet, and since I was filming, to see if there's anything fan related or otherwise interesting that turns up over here. Okay. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.